Hello, awesome students! I am Teacher Chef, and we will be learning norm reference and criterion reference test. This is going to be a light content lesson. Here are some of the things we are going to cover in our class. First, definition of terms. Second, comparison. Third, purpose of testing. Fourth, advantages and disadvantages. Fifth, examples. And lastly, short activity. And here are our objectives for this lesson. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! First, we have Criterion Reference Test. It compares students' performance to a specific criterion or objectives or standards. Performance of other students does not affect a student's score. This means knowing a student's score for a criterion reference test will only tell you how the specific student compared in relation to that criterion, but not whether how they performed. Is it below average, above average, or average when compared to their peers? This time, let's proceed to norm reference test. It compares students' performance to others. This means knowing a student's percentile rank on a norm reference test will tell you how well that specific student performed compared to the performance of the norm group, but will not tell you whether the student met, exceeded, or fell short of proficiency or any other criteria. Type of interpretation. In CRT, students' performance is compared to the percentage of material learned, while in NRT, students' performance is compared to those of other students in percentile terms. In type of measurement, in CRT, it measures specific objective-based language points, while in NRT, it measures general language abilities of proficiency. Distribution of scores. In CRT, it varies often normal, while in NRT, normal distribution of scores around the mean. For that dimension, test structure. In CRT, there's a series of short, well-defined subtests with similar item contents, while in NRT, a few long subtests with a variety of items. Lastly, knowledge of questions. In CRT, students know exactly what content to expect in test items, while in NRT, students have no idea about the content in test items. In CRT, this is to assess the amount of material learned by each student. Second, to see how well students have learned the skills and knowledge which they are expected to have mastered. While in NRT, this is designed to highlight achievement differences between and among students. second, to classify students that needs remedial programs. One of the advantages of CRT is that students are only tested on their knowledge of specific goals or standards. As for the disadvantages in CRT, creating tasks that are both valid and reliable requires extensive and expensive time and effort. Therefore, results cannot be generalized beyond the specific program or course. One of the advantages of NRT is that it shows us how our learners is doing related to other learners across areas. As for the disadvantages in NRT, it cannot measure progress of the population as a whole, only where individuals falls within the whole. I hope you learned something valuable. Thank you for watching.